Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a quick and easy vegetarian recipe, which is white fry green beans. We went shopping and I managed to get some very fresh and young green beans. So we decided to make a white fry green beans recipe. This green beans is 500 gram, which I sliced and rinsed out and I caught it draining. The rest of my ingredients are, I'm using half a cup of oil, 1 medium onion slice, half a teaspoon of jeera seeds, and 3 dry chilies, but you can adjust to your taste. And I've also got 3 cloves of garlic, which I'm going to crush. I'm going to use a teaspoon of fine salt for taste and some lovely fresh curry leaf and a pinch of sugar at the end. I'm also going to throw in a little bit of fresh dhania to garnish. This is a very quick recipe, so let's get started. I've got my stove on medium heat and my pot is heated up, so I'm just going to add my oil to my pot. I'm going to throw in my onions. I will allow these onions to fry till soft. My onions are just turning to color, so I'm going to add in my garlic. To my garlic, I'll add in my curry leaf. And I'll break in my dry chilies. And also use my old jeera. I am just going to lower my heat and throw in my green beans. As you can see, the green beans is nice and young and fresh, so this won't take time to cook. I'm going to throw in my fine salt and allow this to cook on low heat. 10 minutes has passed and the green beans have been frying on a very low heat. To allow my green beans to cook a little soft, I'm going to add in just half cup of water so you can steam out. I'm going to put the lid on and allow it to cook. Another 15 minutes has passed and my green beans has come to a nice fry. So we did adjust the salt to another quarter teaspoon, and in total we used a cup of water. To this point, I'm going to sprinkle in my pinch of sugar, and the sugar will allow the green beans to come into a nice golden color. And I'm also going to increase my heat, and I'm going to keep mixing till I see it's catching to the pot. I've been stirring my green beans continuous, and now the green beans has browned a little the way I like it. Now I am ready to garnish. And I'll also switch the stove off, and then I am ready to serve. Here you go, your white fried green beans, which was a very simple recipe, and it goes very well with roti and some lovely pickle on the side, and served with dal. This meal, although it's so simple, it's a filling meal, and I know Pranesh will enjoy. You can also throw in the green beans into roti rolls, and if you want, you can throw in a little bit of peas or dabla or gadra. It will also fry and go very well with your green beans. So if you enjoy your green beans, give this green beans fry a try. It's a lovely vegetarian recipe. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.